So in this Expedia tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to search flights here on the Expedia application. So the first thing you have to do is open up Expedia. Once that is done, go to the bottom left, press on home, then go to the top bar here where it says stays, flights, cars, etc. And then obviously press on flights right here. That's one way you can do that. Another way you can do is actually go back here, go to the bottom left and press on the search icon, then go to the top and press on flights once again, then type in your flight information. So if you're looking for flights, let's just say flying from, we'll just go Vancouver, British Columbia, just like that. And if you want to fly to Toronto, for instance, right here, you can press on that. You can select the dates that you're looking for. So let's go the 14th to the 15th right here of November. Then press on search, and there you go. The flights are now going to be generating through Expedia in regards to what flights you can look for. And then you can go. You can just scroll down, view different flight options right here. Once again, just simply go back and either press on search and press on flights, or press on the home tab here in the bottom left and press on flights in the top left once again. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to search flights here on Expedia. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.